My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing in bankruptcy law and commercial litigation in Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. And today I want to talk about operating reports for businesses in bankruptcy. When a business files for bankruptcy, and we're talking about a Chapter 11, every month that business has to report to the court and to the Office of the United States Trustee, which is a division of the Department of Justice, operating reports of their income and their expenses, a balance sheet, and general statement of their operations for the month previously. This is a very important document that gets filed in a bankruptcy case. Frequently, a Chapter 11 case is threatened with being converted to a Chapter 7, a liquidation, if the debtor doesn't file these reports. In practice, many debtors fall behind on filing their operating reports. They get busy with other things, they're trying to run a business, they're understaffed, they're cutting expenses, and they just can't get to this particular document. In my experience, the debtors who don't stay on top of their monthly operating reports are more likely to fail in their efforts to reorganize. Companies that aren't doing their income and expense by computer in the year 2012, I got news for you. You're having a problem in bankruptcy. U.S. trustees and creditors now come to expect to see the forms filled out based upon these computer software packages. And in Chapter 13, if the individual debtor is running a company, the general rule is that these debtors have to provide operating reports for the companies that are wholly owned or controlled by the Chapter 13 individual. So one way or the other, if you're involved in a business, or if there's a business in bankruptcy that you're involved in as a creditor, you should expect to see normal monthly operating reports filed with the bankruptcy court. If you don't see them, there's a problem at the top. My name is Ron Drescher, and if you have questions about any of the things we talked about today, I'd be more than happy to talk to you.